right, kids, here's your Mogrmelon. Eat up. Oh, boy, eat. That's okay. Daniel, how's your mewing class today?
I lost my mewing streak!
How can you mug everyone in class if you keep losing your mewing streak?
He lost his mew. At least I didn't lose my edging streak. I only lost my streak because of my gooning glove.
Honey, did anyone do anything useful in class today?
I made a school project.
You kids are useless. You can't do anything. Why can't you mog like Duke Dennis?
Shut up, Mom. You're from Ohio. Yeah, Mom. You have a Littleton Guyat.
I'm done with this brain rot family. I'm taking your Mogrmelon and going upstairs.
My little Mogrmelon, I miss you, Pinkie Pie. You little Pinky.